So OnePlus isn't releasing a foldable phone this year, but that doesn't mean they aren't releasing a flippable one. That's right. You already know how OnePlus works. They rebrand Oppo phones, release it in America, and give us an international market of these Oppo phones, which is always great. Obviously, the OnePlus Open 2 is not coming out until sometime next year. But what about the flip phones? You know, the Oppo Flip series that has just as many generations as their Fold series. Well, looks like OnePlus might be getting into this whole situation again. Now, again, keep in mind, they're not releasing a foldable phone this year, but they are releasing a OnePlus Pagani. Now, this is not a special edition of the OnePlus Open 1. This is, in fact, as it says here, a code name, meaning it's a new product completely. And yeah, this is a foldable. So, as is confirmed by another leaker down below, it is, in fact, a foldable. Keep in mind, when it says foldable, it could mean flippable. We call it flip, fold. For some reason, the industry calls every flip or foldable phone a foldable phone. I always fight it, and I always disagree with it. I think a flippable phone is a flippable phone. A flippable phone and a foldable phone are not the same. A flip is something that is, okay, you have a cell phone, 6.7 inches. It flips, it makes it smaller. That's a flippable cell phone. Okay, it has an outside cover display. Usually it's very small, not really as usable as an actual display, whatever. It is a small form factor of a candy bar cell phone. That's what a flippable phone is. A foldable phone is like a tablet. It's like having an iPad mini in your pocket. The outside display represents a candy bar cell phone, while the inside display is like an iPad mini. You can have it in your pocket and still use it like a little computer. A flippable phone is not a replacement for a mini computer. A foldable phone is. It's like having a PC in your pocket. And usually the gigabytes of RAM on the foldable phones are up to 16 for a reason, because they're like a mini computer. They're not the same. They're really not the same. And I've ranted about this in many videos before. People, obviously, some agreed, some disagree. Beside the point, when they say foldable, they mean foldable or flippable. It's one blanketed term for both. But still really cool, honestly. I've been wanting, OnePlus to do this. I've been wanting Google to come out with their own flippable phone. I've been wanting, Motorola to come out with their own foldable phone. And we'll have to wait and see. The more competition, the more big dogs in this market, the better. And companies like OnePlus, like Google, like Motorola, the more products they have out there, the more competition, the lower the price gets, and the more the industry grows. And that's all we care about at the end, right? We care about the industry growing and getting better. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.